Introducing Capital Analytics, Premier's evolutionary healthcare equipment benchmarking tool. After logging into Capital Analytics, your repository will show you a listing of all your capital equipment quotes, benchmarks, and purchases. Uploading new quotes is simple. Just click the Upload New Quote button and select the quote to upload. Once the quote has been processed, the status will change to indicate the quote is being analyzed. Capital Analytics receives the uploaded quote and identifies similar quotes for comparison. After identifying the matching quotes, Capital Analytics calculates an ideal price for every item on the uploaded quote. This ideal price represents the best pricing available based on the quotes Capital Analytics has previously processed. Once the benchmarking process is completed, you'll be shown the benchmark screen. This screen is the most powerful part of Capital Analytics because it allows you to understand how competitive your quote is compared to other quotes in the market. Capital Analytics enables you to make confident purchasing decisions so you can know that you are paying a fair market price.